I will be showing you how to ring up a ticket that has multiple transaction types on one ticket, such as regular sale, return, special order deposit, etc., all on one ticket. You'll start with choosing the cashier, and that's yourself, whoever's ringing up the sale. And if you're choosing a customer, which you have to have a customer on transaction types such as special orders or layaways, you'll choose that customer by clicking on the magnifying glass and using the lookup. And you'll select that customer. If you have a scanner that has the autosave feature built into it, you can scan your first item from this screen. If not, you can click on the Ticket Detail tab or press F6 on your keyboard. That'll bring you into the ticket detail. There's many different transaction types. The default is regular sale. If you click on the drop down, you'll see regular sale, return, special order deposit, special order pickup, special order payment, special order cancel, layaway sale, layaway pickup, layaway payment, layaway cancel, gift card internal. We also have a gift card external that's not listed here. If you need that, we can put that on there. Employee sale and charge payment. We're going to go ahead and select a regular sale for this first transaction. So if you haven't already scanned your first item, you can scan that item. And that'll bring up your UPC number, your SKU, your size if there is one associated with the SKU, quantity, and price. You'll also see the salesperson field. If the salesperson that sold this item is different from the cashier, that's when you can click on this drop down and change it to the right salesperson. If you need to put a SKU comment on this SKU, if this is final clearance, you can type in a comment like that. If not, you can just leave it blank. If you need to put a discount percent, if you're given a discount percent on this item, such as 20% off, you can type that in there. For discount amount, if you're giving a dollar amount off, such as $3, you can go down to the discount amount and type in the amount that you're giving off. If you're giving a perk to employee for selling this item, you can go down to the perk section and type in that perk dollar amount that you're going to give them. And if this item is to be purchased for a different account other than the account on the ticket header, you can go ahead and select that by the magnifying glass at this time. If not, just leave it blank. We're going to say that this next transaction that they're doing is a special order deposit. So we're going to click on Add Item or press F10 on your keyboard, and that will add that regular sale to the list down below. We're now going to go up to the transaction type, click on the drop down arrow, and we're going to choose special order deposit. Now remember, with special order deposit, you have to have a customer account. That's how it tracks the information, which you see at the top. We have that information already. If you're doing a special order deposit, most likely you're not going to have anything to scan, so we're going to use the SKU lookup to look up that SKU. So you can click on the magnifying glass icon to the left of SKU and type in the SKU number that you're looking for. And click on the lookup button and select it. You'll see it brings up that SKU. Now we can select a size if it has a size associated with it, and a width if it has a width. Some store owners have a policy of paying for the special order deposit in full. We automatically have that figure to the right of deposit amount. You'll notice up at the top it has the price, and it also has your sales tax listed. If for some reason you just want to do a deposit, if I put $5, you'll see here a message center comes up and it says a minimum deposit of $20.14 is required. The reason it does that is we have a special configuration built into the system if you want to automatically say that I require a 20% deposit. then it will do that. If you put less than 20% down, it'll automatically change that to that 20% for the deposit amount. The other thing that you can do is if a different salesperson worked with this customer on the special order deposit than on the regular sale, you can change that salesperson to that correct salesperson. Now when you're done with this, we're going to go ahead and click on Add Item or press F10. Now you'll see you have the regular sale and a special order deposit. And you can continue on doing many other transaction types. So this next one I'm going to do is a gift card sale. So I'm going to go to Gift Card Internal and select that. We're going to go to gift card number, and if you have the kind of gift cards that has a barcode on the back, you could actually scan that gift card at this point. If not, then you can type in what the gift card number is and tab. It'll tell you if it's a brand new card. If it's an existing card, it won't let you use that. Brings you down to gift card amount. You can type in the amount that they want to buy for the gift card and press tab. If you also wanted to keep track of who this gift card was purchased for, you could go ahead and either create a new account or select a different account that this gift card was purchased for. And if the salesperson was a different salesperson, you could again click on the drop down and change it yet again to a different salesperson. Once you're done, just click on Add Item or press F10 on your keyboard. And that adds that gift card purchase to the list. So now we have a regular sale, a special order deposit, and a gift card. We could also do a return if we wanted to. If we clicked on the drop down to the transaction type, select Return, and now we can go ahead and scan the item that the customer is returning. It'll automatically put a quantity of -1 that tells us it's a return, and you can go to the return reason and select a reason for the return by clicking on the drop down and select that reason. If that's the last item on the sale, you can either click on Ticket Payment, and that'll save what's up at the top and bring you to the ticket payment, or you can click on Add Item, which adds that to the list below. Down at the bottom right, it gives you the items on ticket, the subtotal, tax, and the total due. Then you can click on Ticket Payment or press F7.